In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cashfree to Shopify, a process that will help you streamline your payment processing seamlessly. Let's dive right in so you can start accepting payments more efficiently and take your e-commerce game to the next level. To get started, you'll first need to create a Cashfree account if you haven't already done so. You can sign up on their website and complete the registration by providing the necessary details about your business. Once your account is set up, go ahead and log in. Once inside your Cashfree dashboard, head over to the API Keys section. Here, you will generate the API keys that you'll need to connect with Shopify. Simply click on Create to generate both the test and live API keys. Make sure to copy these keys and keep them accessible, as they'll be integral to the setup process in Shopify. Now, open up your Shopify administrative panel in a new browser tab. You'll want to navigate directly to the Payment Providers section, which you can find under Settings. In this section, you'll see a list of payment gateways available to link with Shopify. Click on Choose a Payment Provider and select Cashfree from the list of available options. If you don't immediately see Cashfree as an option, you can use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you've selected Cashfree, you'll be prompted to enter those API keys we talked about earlier. First, enter your test API credentials if you wish to test the setup first, which is a good idea to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can switch to Live API credentials once you confirm the successful integration of the payment gateway. This step is crucial because using the wrong set of keys can prevent successful transactions, so take your time inputting each key correctly. After inputting the credentials, save your changes and return to the Shopify home page to test your new Cashfree payment gateway. A good way to do this is by placing a test order on your store. Go through the checkout process just like a customer would and select Cashfree as the payment option. If everything has been set up correctly, the transaction should process without a hitch. This test helps verify that the integration works properly and your customers can successfully make purchases using Cashfree. If you encounter any issues, double-check to ensure you've entered the right API keys and examine any error messages for clues on resolving potential problems. Remember, customer support from both Shopify and Cashfree can also be a great help if any troubleshooting is needed. And there you have it. You're all set to efficiently handle transactions through Cashfree on your Shopify store. With this integration, you can offer your customers a reliable and convenient payment option, enhancing their shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online business.